This is Tony. He runs a small injection molding factory in Dongguan that has been around for more than 20 years. The company started from mold making and later expanded into injection molding and sub-assembling services. Today, it's a 40-person team focused on something very specific: special engineering plastics. While most factories chase big orders and volume production, Tony takes the opposite road. He focuses on what big factories don't want to do and what small ones cannot do. High temperature, high precision materials like PEEK, PPS, and PAI. For each new project, his team starts from DFM and mold flow analysis. Because these materials are expensive, sometimes 1,000 yuan per kilogram, a single mold trial could cost thousands. So preparation is everything. Their goal is always get it right the first time. Precision is taken seriously here. Every mold and part goes through CMM and optical measurement. The data can be shared with customers in real time. As Tony says, a good product always starts with a good mold. The workshop is compact but complete, with CNC, EDM, wire cutting, and surface grinding. Most of the molds are built for their own production, though some are also sold to customers who need special tooling. The injection area looks clean and quiet. All machines are fully electric, customer-built from Haitian's high-end brand, Zhafir. They have also built a central feeding and drying system, which keeps the floor clean, saves energy, and reduces dust contamination. Automation is another focus. Simple robots now remove parts and trim flash automatically. It is not just about efficiency, Tony says. It's about creating a more comfortable workplace and reducing manual strain. They keep a stock of imported materials, Calanes, Macrolum, to handle urgent or small lot production for clients.
我们现在跟我们合作的客户很多都超过20年了，有的甚至于1年一个人都很少交一辆。
When we talked about business, Tony's philosophy stood out. He's not trying to make the factory bigger. He's trying to make it better and steadier. He believes every customer's mold is an asset entrusted to him, and that the supplier's first responsibility is to protect that trust. Some of his clients have been with him for over 20 years. The yearly volume might be small, but the relationship is long-term, built on reliability, not price. In a manufacturing world obsessed with speed and scale, Tony chose a different path: to stay small, precise, and honest, to focus on people, quality, and trust, to keep doing it happily and sustainably.